Let us go with the problem number 9. Right, the difference between a number and its 3/4 is 65. The 2/5 of that number is, right, here there are two stages involved in this particular problem. First of all, we need to find the number, right, first step, and second step we need to find 2/5 of that number, right. So to start working on it, let the number be x, let the number be x, right. What they have given, the difference between, difference means that is subtraction, so difference between a number and its 3/4, that is x minus 3/4, that is 3/4 of x is equal to 65, right. Now simplify it here, take a LCM, 4 is the LCM, right. So now what happens here, 4x minus 3x is equal to 65. 4x minus 3x is going to be x, and 65 into this I will transfer, so to right hand side, that is going to be 4. Now multiply it here, so 6 4s are 24, that is 240, 5 4s are 20, right. So 260, x is equal to 260. This is first part of the problem we solved. Now we are supposed to solve the second, that is going to get the right answer here. Let us check out. So now we need to find out 2/5 of this number. So 2/5 of x, which is nothing but 2/5 of 260. Now divide 260 by 5. So what happens here, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, so one remainder 10, so 5 2s are, so this is going to be 52. Now multiply it here, 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10, 104 is the answer. Option A is the right one.